Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to switch to Bing. Make sure you have admin rights and the browser is updated. First, open your browser settings. Don't pause to check unrelated options. Navigate to search or privacy settings immediately because this is where default engines are set. If using a browser extension that manages search, temporarily disable it now. Once done, verify Bing is available in the list of engines. If not, open Bing in a tab so the browser can detect and add it automatically. You'll now change the default. Go to Settings, then Search Engine or Manage Search Engines. This path varies slightly by browser. If Bing appears, choose Set as Default. If it's missing, add a new engine. Enter the name Bing and the search URL with %s as the query placeholder. Save that entry, then select it as your default. Make sure to close and reopen the browser to apply the change. If using profiles, repeat inside each profile to ensure all windows use Bing. Finish by restarting the browser and typing a query in the address bar to confirm Bing responds. You should see Bing search results immediately. If another engine still appears, inspect extensions. Some override defaults, so disable or adjust them and retest. On Windows or Mac OS, verify any OS-level search integrations aren't forcing a different provider. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and cookies if settings won't stick. Then reapply the default and restart the system to ensure persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.